when is the right time for me to have a sexual contact with my partner if we are trying to get pregnant? How do you know that you are ovulating? And there are many causes why this early menopause occurs to patients who are lesser than 40 years.
Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon so that you don't miss any important updates related to infertility.
Hello everybody. I am today discussing about two most commonly asked questions by patients. First question is, what is ovulation? How do I know I'm ovulating? When is the right time for me to have a sexual contact with my partner if we are trying to get pregnant? Ovulation is very simple. It is the releasing of a mature egg every month from the ovary into the tube, and then after the sexual contact the sperm reaches up, meets with the egg, form the embryo. If the embryo is successfully formed, it will travel back to the uterus and you get pregnancy positive. How do you know that you are ovulating? Your body temperature is slightly being heightened up than normal temperature. Secondly, your vaginal discharge is going to be very clear, and if you happen to touch it, it is going to be forming a thread-like structure in between your both fingers. That is called cervical mucus. These two are most commonly checked by the patient. Second most commonly asked question to me is, ma'am, I stopped getting my menses. It's been 4 months, 5 months, 10 months, or 1 year. I didn't get menses. What is the cause? If I happen to check her ultrasound, there will be definitely a problem with her ovaries, follicles. There might be no follicles, few follicles, and the ovaries are very small, or uterus is completely small, shrunken. She might come under any category. Now she might be asking me, what are the causes? Why did it happen? There are many causes why this early menopause occurs to patients who are lesser than 40 years. Causes are, she might have undergone some surgery before, some chemotherapy, some family history, or menarche. Her first menses occurred before she was 11 years old, or some thyroid condition, autoimmune conditions, chromosomal conditions, and also her hormonal imbalance. All this we have to check to come to a conclusion what is the underlying cause. If the patient is trying to get pregnant, she really needs to have some hormonal therapy to reverse her ovulation if possible. 10 to 15% of this kind of population can get pregnant naturally with some hormone supplements. And what are the symptoms? What she gets is, she gets irritable, the patient might have vaginal dryness, she might be having mood swings, depression. All this you have to note down, and hot flushes. Now what is the treatment option? As I told you, it is hormonal therapy. Also to visit your fertility specialist as soon as possible if you feel any of the symptoms in your body.
For more information, visit our website www.indraivf.com or call 1-800-309-4410. Keep following us and leave your fertility related questions in the comments below.